Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. In the world of streaming services, there's an occasional hurdle that can make your viewing experience less than ideal. One such issue is the device limit error on Now TV. This simply means that you've reached the maximum number of devices allowed to stream as per your plan. However, some users have reported that even after removing Now TV from other devices, they still encounter this error. So, how do we navigate this issue? Let's break it down. The first step to solving this problem is making sure you've signed out from all other devices. Go to the Now TV website and sign into your account. Click on your name in the top right corner of the screen, followed by Account Details. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently connected to your Now TV account. Identify the device you wish to remove and click on the Remove button next to it. When asked for confirmation, click on Remove again. This will disconnect the selected device from your Now TV account. It's important to note that simply uninstalling the app or signing out of the account on the device may not be enough. The device could still show up on the list despite not being used for streaming. If the device limit error persists even after following these steps, there's a second fix you can try. Ensure that your Now TV app is updated with the latest firmware version. If it isn't, update it. In case the error remains, there is one last step you can take. Contact Now TV support and request a refresh of your account. There's a possibility that due to some glitch, Now TV still considers you logged in on too many devices. You can find the Now TV contact details on their website, or you can email them at customerservices@nowtv.com. In summary, the Now TV device limit error can be tackled by ensuring you've signed out from all other devices, updating your Now TV app, and in some cases, contacting Now TV support for an account refresh. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support, and for more tech updates, visit queries.com.